Good morning, boys and girls. Guess what today is? It's Friday, meaning it is Free Day Friday, Free Day Friday. Can you do that? Say hi to the kids. Say hi, kids. All right, so let's look at today's date. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. If we were to write the numbers out using only numbers, we would say for January, February, March, April, -24, -20, because that's the last two numbers of our year. We're still in the season of spring. And today's supposed to be 60 degrees and sunny out. So make sure that you're playing outside. Do you like to play outside? Yeah, don't you? You like to play ball. All right, and today's number is 5,624. But before we can determine if it's odd or even, let's sing our odd and even song. I knew a cow and even was her name. 02468, 02468, 02468, and even was her name. I knew a pig and odd was her name. 13579, 13579, 13579, and odd was her name. Did you sing? All right, so our number today is, sing in, 5,624. Is that number odd or even? It is. All right, so that number was an even number because if we look in the ones place, there's a 4 there. And that means that if I drew out 4 counters, they're all happy because they all have a friend. Nobody is left out. So it is an even number. The 2 is in the tens place. The 6 is in the hundreds place. Think about HTO. And the 5 is in the thousands place. That is standard form. If I were to write it out using the expanded form, I would write 5,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 4. That is expanded form. All right, let's do our practice addition and subtraction for today. All right, so if you don't have your whiteboard right now, go get your whiteboard, or if you have a piece of paper and a pencil, get your paper and pencil out so that we can practice our addition and subtraction with and without regrouping. All right, the first number I want you to write is 361 plus 829. Hey, take a moment to write that. If you need more time, hit the pause button so that you can get it written. I am going to write my HTO to help keep me organized because I like to make sure that I know I'm starting in the ones place and that my numbers are all lined up properly. So starting in the ones place, 1 plus 9 equals 10. I put my 0 down and I carry my 1. 1 plus 6 plus 2. Well, 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Did I have to borrow on or carry on that one? No. And finally, 3 plus 8 equals 11. So technically, there would be a 1 here, and I would have to carry the other one to the thousands place and write another 1 here. But since there isn't anything in the thousands place, I could just write the 1,190. I'm gonna get that cat. And I would put my comma, ones, tens, hundreds, When we sing that song, every time we say that's where the comma goes. All right? I hope that you did a nice job with that one. Go ahead and erase that. You want back up here? Say help, please. All right, we're going to do our subtraction problem now. The subtraction problem is going to be 569 minus 472. So take a moment to write that on your whiteboard or your piece of paper. All right, and we're going to do our HTO. Thank you for helping. Good helper. Let's start in the ones place. If you don't have this written, hit the pause button. What you really should do actually is hit the pause button, try to solve it on your own, and then unpause it and do it with me to see if you got it correct or not. All right, when we subtract, we think about the B rule, okay? So if the bottom number is bigger, we have to borrow. Is 2 bigger than 9?
What's up?
No, 2 is not bigger than 9, so we can just subtract. 9 minus 7 equals what, Max? I'm sorry, 9 minus 2 equals what?
9 minus 7.
Good. All right, let's move to the tens place. Is 7 bigger than 6?
Yep.
Yes, so I have to borrow. I'm going to borrow 1 from the 5, and I'm going to make it a 4. And I'm going to move that group of 100 over here. So that's really 10 tens. So I'm going to add that 10 tens to that 6 tens. So now I have 16 tens. Now I can subtract. 16 minus 7 equals 9. And 4 minus 4 equals 0. So you should have gotten 97 for this answer. All right, for today, your assignment. It is Chromebook Free Day Friday. You will have the math. We're going to start chapter 10, but we're not going to do an actual lesson. Okay, here. Sorry. We're not, no, you don't eat the marker. Here, you want to hold that? So you're going to do math, chapter 10, the getting ready pages, and I'll explain what pages those are when you do that. You're going to have a reading story. Today's reading story, oh, honey, she's ready for a nap, is, let's see, solids and liquids, and then it's going to be Chromebook Free Day Friday. So the only 2 things I want you to do today are the math and the reading of solids and liquids. And then enjoy your day. It's supposed to be sunny and nice, so play outside. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.